Certain types of medical marijuana could soon be legal in the state of Tennessee. A bill making its way through the legislature would allow cannabis oil to be used for medical purposes. A House subcommittee debated that bill today. And typically, we see this kind of debate evolve, like we did with same-sex marriage a couple of years ago. Experts say the views of the public are changing when it comes to marijuana. 29 states now allow medical marijuana. Tennessee is not one of them, but the new bill would change that. Reporter Mark Salinger shows us how public support often impacts how new laws are made.
While Tennessee hasn't yet said yes to marijuana,
thousands of Americans are alive and well because of this plant.
The state may be moving that way.
Not one single person in America has died accidentally using medical-grade cannabis.
On Tuesday, the Tennessee House Criminal Justice Subcommittee heard arguments for and against the Medical Cannabis Act. It would allow cannabis oil to be used for medical purposes. TBI agents testified against it.
The factors affecting drug use are very plain. They're price, availability, perception of risk, and public attitude. This is one of the reasons why we do not support this one.
Public support, of course, works hand in hand with legal change.
Dr. Tricia Bruce is a sociology professor at Maryville College. She says public perception often affects which laws are passed and which are not.
You had a really rapid upward trend in support for same-sex marriage, and then you had the legalization of same-sex marriage at the federal level. And so in part, we're seeing marijuana follow that same trend line.
A 2017 Vanderbilt poll found support for legalized marijuana is rising. 44% of Tennesseans favor legalizing marijuana for medical purposes, and 34% favor it for recreational use. Support around the country is even higher.
Some 6 in 10 Americans support legalizing marijuana fully.
As more states legalize the drug, young people are leading the way.
Younger Americans are more likely to support the legalization of marijuana.